Now we are going to see how to add quiz assignments. Go to the Classwork tab, click on the Create button, select Quiz Assignments. In the title field, I type Articles, Quiz. In the instructions, read and answer all the quiz. I want to cancel auto-generated blank quiz. Now I click on Create and I select Forms. You can see a new form is creating. This is Google quiz form. In the title field, I type Articles, Quiz. In the responses field, I type Answer all the questions. Once I click on Untitled form, the title is updated and you can see all changes saved in Drive. First of all, I want to obtain the name of the student. So I click the plus button. In the options menu, I select short answer type. In the question field, I type name and this is mandatory field, so I turn on the required button. Now student cannot submit the form without typing the name. Now I am going to type first question. Click on the untitled question. Type the first question. Mr. Madhivanan was dash artists by profession. I want to give 3 options. Click on the first option. I type A and I click on the add option button. I type and again click on add option. I type D and I go to the settings. In the quiz tab, I turn on make this is a quiz and click save. Here you can see the answer key option. Click on it. I select the answer and I want to set the point 2 point to this question and I click done. I want to add another question. Click on the plus button and I type I think this is dash house we saw online. In the first option A, second option and third option D. Again I click on the answer key. I select the answer and give the points and click done and I turn on required. Also in the first question I turn on the required option. Now I created only 2 questions. In the top you can see only 4 points is appear and I click responses tab and click on the create spreadsheet. I name it article quiz response. Click create. Here you can get all the responses. Now I close the tab and I close the form. You can see the Google quiz form is added, or you can manually add the form. Click add button, select Google Drive. Here you can see the article quiz and select and click on add button. In the right side you can select which class you want to send and which student you want to send the assignment, and here you can set the point to the assignment. Also you can set the due date and I click assign button. You can see the article quiz is assigned and you can see the due date. Due is tomorrow. Also the assignment is appeared on the stream. Go to stream. Here you can see the assignment. Now student can able to see the quiz in their mobile app. This is quiz notification. Click on the notification. You can see attached to Google form quiz. Click on it. Type the name Kumar and answer the questions. And I click submit. Student can able to see the score and open the assignment. Student can able to add comments. I have done. I click. The command is added. Below, click on mark as done. You didn't attach anything. Yes, I didn't. I click mark as done. Okay, this is marked as done. Now I submit the assignment as student. Now we are going to see how to give grades to the students. First of all, teacher view the responses. In order to see the responses, I go to Google Drive. Here you can see the quiz responses. Double click on it. Here you can see the score and the name of the students and the answer. You obtained 2 marks only. He answered one question as wrong. I close the responses. Click on the grades tab. Here teacher enter the grade points. Totally 100. I want to give 50 points. Total question is 2. The student answered one question wrong. So I give 50 points. The point is saved. Now student can able to see the grade points. Thank you for watching. I will see you the next lesson.